Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's nighttime. Trying to show you how to do granite to make it look like that. Stair stepping. And that's in that previous video. Well, the part of the video before this. See how I just cut it, scored it, and then I went laterally across. So I've got some stone tools. That's not a stone tool, but it is now. But I have some stone tools, and this is just the alternate means. Wet saw, dry saw, diamond blade, score, and then brick hammer across. Because we want some character left behind. Cross it with a tool jackhammer, and it makes this beautiful shelf like that. That you can then run water down it from the top, and it gives a beautiful trickle effect of water just coming down, cascading across the granite. So that's what the granite looks like normal, just regular granite. Score it with the diamond blade, and then chisel across it, and you get this effect like that, like it's layered. What do you guys think? That's a mortar on there. I can get that mortar off easily, but that's what the effect would look like. When this gets stood up, and then a water fountain, water goes flowing down it just beautifully. Not much water, but enough. It's just so much character.